I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan until shimmering, then add 1 teaspoon cumin to bloom the spice. This releases aroma and builds base flavor. Once cumin sizzles, add chopped onion and a pinch of salt to draw out moisture. Sauté until translucent, because that sweetness balances the dish. Make sure to stir and scrape the fond, then add minced garlic and sliced mushrooms so they start browning, not steaming. Once mushrooms have a golden edge, deglaze with 1/2 cup water or stock to lift flavor from the pan. This makes the sauce. Then add 1 cup peas and sprinkle 1 teaspoon garam masala plus 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. These spices give warmth and color, so mix thoroughly to distribute. Simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes so peas become tender and the liquid reduces. Make sure to taste and adjust salt. If sauce is thin, increase heat briefly. To finish, turn off heat and stir in a squeeze of lemon and chopped cilantro. Acid lifts the whole dish and balances richness. Plate your Matar mushroom hot with rice or roti. A dollop of yogurt softens heat and adds creaminess. If you need texture, crisped mushrooms on top add contrast. If things go wrong, if sauce is too watery, simmer uncovered to reduce. If bland, add a pinch of salt and another splash of lemon to brighten flavors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.